In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for personal organization as a neurodivergent person. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're in, click Create, and then choose Create New Board. For the board title, type Personal Organization, then click Create. This gives you one clear space to manage tasks without everything feeling scattered. Now we're going to build a simple board layout that makes it easier to sort ideas, reduce overwhelm, and see what actually matters right now. Click Add Another List, type Brain Dump, and press Enter. This list is for anything on your mind, whether it's a task, reminder, idea, or something you don't want to forget. Click Add Another List again, type Today, and press Enter. Then add another list called This Week. After that, add Later. Finally, add a list called Done. At this point, you created a very practical workflow. Brain Dump is where everything starts. Today is for what needs your attention now. This week helps you keep upcoming tasks visible without crowding your immediate focus. Later is for things that matter, but not yet. And Done gives you a visual record of progress, which can be especially helpful when motivation or memory feels inconsistent. Next, go under the Brain Dump list and click Add a Card. Enter a task or idea, then click Add Card. You can repeat this anytime you think of something. The goal here is to get things out of your head and into a trusted system, so you don't have to keep mentally holding on to them. Click on a card to open it. Inside, click Labels and add color labels for priorities or task types. You might use one color for urgent tasks, another for personal care, and another for work or school. Keep your label system simple so it stays easy to use. Then click Checklist and add smaller steps for the task. This is especially useful when a task feels too big or vague. Breaking it down can make starting much easier. If needed, click Dates and set a due date so Trello can help you keep time-sensitive tasks visible. Now begin dragging cards between lists to organize them by urgency. Move tasks from Brain Dump into Today, This Week, or Later based on what needs attention. As you finish things, drag completed cards into Done. That gives you a clear sense of movement and accomplishment, not just a never-ending to-do list. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's the full setup. Once your board is in place, the key is to keep using it in a way that feels supportive, not rigid. This Trello system works because it keeps decisions simple, reduces visual clutter, and helps you focus on one stage of a task at a time. Congratulations, you're all set.